keluar aklim bapawnam ka Bollywood ujon Abraham haka khandriu tarik nailar ulaya kendu ya ki khandai ngut kirang bat thayele akai ki balasha jet haka super elite pathway program ka balong hasai nehu balapnya da ka Meghalaya State Olympic haringkat ka jingdon lang Ian Campbell na Australia ubalawan ban penlong ya ka jingwat benya banlap ya ki samla ki badan sab ha ki jingele akai bapher Ujuan Abraham Iaroh ya ka sab le ka jong ki samla ka jilla badha ka ju ka por Iaroh ru ya ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat sorkar jilla ki balawat ya ki khynnah ki badan sab.
It was a pleasure and honor meeting Ian, and congratulations to the Meghalaya State Olympic Association for organizing this Super Elite Pathway program in 2023. I met some of the young athletes, and they were absolutely fantastic. All of them outjumped me. They're like super level, and I was just very excited to see what they were doing on the vertical jumps, on the 20-meter test. And this facility that Sai has provided is absolutely fantastic. So once again, congratulations to Conrad, this is Honorable CM of Meghalaya, and what he's put together here, and the entire team that's supporting him.
Tested 15,000 children,
Right.
100,000 tests,
Right.
in Meghalaya,
Wow.
across all sports. These are the 9 children that were selected initially to go to a super elite program for a number of reasons. And they've been on the program only 5 weeks, but we are setting all kind of benchmark records.
Yeah.
So today we have our full session this afternoon.
Right.
But because you were coming, we wanted to also show you. So what they're doing today are 2 vertical jumps.
Okay.
On our jump force plate.
Yeah.
And these count. So this isn't just practice. These are performance. We want them to perform at a high level today.
Correct.
So since they've been under heavy loading for a few weeks, which has been a bit interesting for them.
Yeah.
And you'd know that from your own training. And so we're trying to bring them up a little bit.
Right.
To freshen up. And so since between Saturday and Monday, we set 14 training records.
Right.
Which is outstanding.
Crazy.
So
14 training records.
Yes.
Wow.
In the vertical, the 20 meter and fast hop over 10 meter. Solid performances. Fingers crossed.
Wow.
So what I wanted to let you know, this is actually legit. We're not just doing it, let's have a no. This is serious stuff.
I get you, yeah.
Get this on film, everybody.
That's 53.1 centimeters. That's it. One more maybe. Let's see. You could bend your knees to
I can bend the knees.
Yeah, then jump.
Oh, okay.
When you're dropping.
Okay,
Okay. When we are ready.
Yeah.
That's 57.2 centimeters.
I get to 50% of you.
So just have a.
Yeah.
73.8 centimeters. Betting stop.
Right up.
That's 70.3 centimeters. Nice. That's 79.1 centimeters.
Okay, that's the first round. Because we're only going to fire that many fast twitch. So because this afternoon they have other competition.
Right.
So awesome, guys.
Second round.
Let's go.
Eric.
Fokus tangi kemat bila dia. Cepat di mesin dia tak. On letter will follow. Wah dia.
That's 60.4 centimeters.
Conference call. Notice will follow. Just for them to know.
That's 64.3 centimeters.
Yeah. See, this is the technique. The